Importance of parenthesis in Pemdas. Now let's see what is it. Now here in this mathematical expression, how do we calculate this? Now see, there are two ways of doing it. Either we can first perform this addition, that is 1 plus 2, 3, into 3, which is 9. And the other is 1 plus 2 into 3. So we perform the 2 into 3 multiplication operation first. That is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. But this one's wrong and this one's right. Why is that? And there cannot be two ways of calculating things, right? There can only be one correct way. So therefore, this is where the PEMDAS steps in. It is a rule, or you can say a system, which helps us decide the precedence or sequence of operations. What does it stand for? So basically, P stands for parenthesis or grouping symbols like curly braces, simple brackets or square brackets. E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. It is basically a set of rules to prioritize some math operations over the others. That is, it tells us which operations are to be performed first. In addition, multiplication and division have the same level of priority. That is, they are on the same level. They can be performed in either sequence. It depends which one appears first. That is, we perform the one which appears from left to right. And similar is the case with addition and subtraction. They also have the same level of priority, and we perform them whichever appears first from left to right. Now here are some fun ways to remember this PEMDAS acronym. The first one goes by, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And the other one goes, people eat my delicious armadillo sandwiches. Now let's see some examples and let's try to understand this. Now in the first example on the left, you can see the expression is 5 minus 2 plus 3 into 4. Now as we learned in PEMDAS, multiplication comes first. So you see in PEMDAS, P for parenthesis, it's not there. Exponent is also not there in this example. So multiplication is the first one which comes here. So we multiply and 3 into 4 is 12. Then subtraction and addition, they carry the same level of precedence. But we perform the one which appears first from left to right. So subtraction appears first. So we perform 5 minus 2, which is 3. And then finally we perform this 3 plus 12 addition, which results in 15. In the second example on the right, so here we got parentheses. So we solve these parentheses first, whatever is inside these parentheses. Now here, the first thing we see is a division. Now division and multiplication are also on the same level of precedence, but whichever appears first from left to right, we perform that first. So therefore, we perform this division. 18 by 6 results in 3. Then 3 into 5 results in a multiplication. Now this parenthesis has been solved. Now in this example, there is a division sign over here which carries more precedence over subtraction. So 14 by 7 is 2. And then finally we subtract 15 minus 2, resulting in 13. Let's see one last example. So here there are exponents and there are parentheses, division, multiplication and addition. It seems a little complicated, but it is very easy to solve. Let's see. So first, again, we have the parentheses to solve. So whatever is inside the parentheses, that is subtraction, that gets done first. Then there are exponents. So 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. Now there is division sign. So we perform that first. Then we perform multiplication. And you can perform like either multiplication or division first, whichever, because it's from left to right, so we should perform multiplication first. So that is 32 and 25 divided by 25 is 1. So 32 plus 1 in the end results in 33.